Today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, number TA-005. Today we're going to be talking about the 1993 to 1994 Ford Rangers that may exhibit a no start, no charge condition due to a discharged battery. So there are two possible causes. First, this condition may be caused by the heater fan circuit energizing the alternator when the fan control is left in the on position and the ignition is in the off position. To correct this condition, Ford has developed a jumper harness kit, which when installed in the fuse box, prevents the alternator from being energized with the ignition off. Cause number two, this condition may be caused by road splash entering the engine compartment during wet conditions. This road splash can cause the alternator belt to slip, resulting in low alternator output and dim lights. To correct this condition, Ford has created a new splash shield that must be installed to the left-hand fender apron to prevent the road splash from reaching the belt. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter or alternator should be a Remy.